good news is that ang ating mga kabataan at ang ating mga kababayan ay naghakot ng mga medalya sa Arnis dito sa France. Actually, it's the third year na ginawa nila at nag-participate. Well, dito sa France, lumalawak ng lumalawak yung mga ang promotion nila ng sarili nating martial arts, which is nakakatuwa. At the same time, nakakatuwa rin dahil sumali tayo dun sa last competition and we only have we were notified 5 days before the competition at mga 1 hour and a half lang yung training nila, but they still were able to bag the medals that are there. Ang mga kababaihan natin, kinuha nila lahat ng mga medals, silver, bronze, and gold in all categories. At ang mga kabataan din naman natin, the same. We have silver and gold and bronze as well. And even the men, ang nakakatuwa is that meron silang live stick kasi dito usually ginagamit na stick when it comes to competition is moose, yung malambot lang. Pero for the first time, meron silang live stick, yung talagang kahoy ang ginamit, like what the videos that I've shown you recently. At tuwang-tuwa naman kami kasi mas active ang mga French to promote the Filipino martial arts dito. Well, actually, it's not that famous. Kaya ang promotions na ginagawa natin pag merong ganyang mga event, talagang kahit na walang practice, pumupunta tayo para at least magkaroon ng tracking ang event na yon. But slowly, they are gaining ground. Kasi registered na siya sa Federation Nationale de Karate, FFK, Fédération Française de Karate, so which is actually very good, and it's been continuing and it's getting stronger. Nakakatuwa nga na makita na ang mga French is mas taos-puso nilang ginagawa yung ating martial arts. Sila yung masipag. At syempre tayo, of course, hindi naman tayo magpapahuli kahit na hindi tayo gaanong nakakonsentrate doon. But luckily, meron tayong coach from Vivacia, si Sir Mar Andres, na talagang ini-invite niya yung mga kabataan at ang mga parents to participate at the same time. Kaya ang mga kabataan natin, natututo silang gumamit ng arnis, and at the same time, tinuturuan din namin silang ng baybayin. And sort of, doon din sila kapag-exchange in Tagalog and stuff like that. But kasi most of them are growing up here. And it's a way of disseminating our culture talaga. And sa month of May, yun yung national competition. At sana makapasok din tayo sa WICAF competition, international competition dyan sa atin. Actually, the national competition is coming up on May 31st, if I'm not mistaken. And it's not far from Paris. Kasi last year, they did it in Lyon, France. Kasi they are all over France. Meron sa Marseille, meron sa Lyon, meron sa Normandy, meron sa Port d'Orléans, and of course, meron tayo dito sa Paris. And one of the most active is Red Balintawak, dito sa area na to, sa north.